Hey, today I'm going to share my morning skincare routine with you, which is still kind of crazy to me because a year ago I did not have any sort of skincare routine. I've always been more into like the fitness side of self-care, but really was never into beauty or skincare or anything like that outside of like when I was in high school and I had acne. So then obviously it was my top priority and I was doing everything I could to get rid of my pimples, but really as an adult, just never was very good at it. I don't know what it was. I think part of it felt overwhelming to me. Like it was just one more thing to add into my day, and I would see all these, steps in the skincare routines, and it just felt like yeah, overwhelming. So I tried over the years, a few different regimens, never stuck with anything. And for the most part would just like wash my face, pretty much like at night, even I wouldn't even do that. A lot of nights I was just too lazy and tired, and I would just go to bed with my makeup on, full face of makeup. Not that I wore a ton of makeup, but still, whatever I had on, oil, all that too, was just going, to bed with me. So I knew it wasn't great, but I wasn't really motivated to do much about it until I started to get a little bit older. And then I was like, oh, my skin's changing. Oh, I have more wrinkles. And so a few years ago, as I got into my mid 30s, I um, got into a little bit of Botox. So I got a little bit of Botox in my forehead. Other than that, wasn't doing anything until last summer when I was introduced to the Shaklee skincare regimen. And I really didn't think I was gonna stick with it. I wasn't that interested in it, to be honest with you, but everyone kept raving about it. So I was like, all right, I'm gonna give this a try. And actually, what got me started on this was for these. These are called our Ageless wands. I call them our natural Botox wands because that intrigued me. Because I was like, well, gosh, that'd be kind of cool if I didn't have to get Botox or didn't have to get as much Botox and I could do it naturally. I was never like against Botox. Obviously, I was getting it, but the idea of natural products always resonated with me. So I actually started with these last summer. And after I started with these and I noticed that they were helping, it wasn't long after that that I was like, why don't I just actually go all in on this and do it all? Because everyone was like, yeah, these help some, but you're gonna get the best results if you have the whole line. So I did, and I'm not gonna say my journey has been perfect, that I've never missed a day. I certainly have, but over time I've gotten more consistent and my skin has never felt better. I love how my skin is now at age 39 more than I did when I was, 20. So it's kind of wild like that. But anyway, today I'm going to go through just my morning skincare routine with you. I have a morning in and after, or morning and night routine. And step number one is get yourself a cute skincare headband. This is going to just help keep the hair out of your face. I mean, of course, you can put it in a ponytail too, but isn't that fun? Okay, so step one is your cleanser. Where's my cleanser? Oh, it's right here. So I typically do this like in the shower. If I shower first thing in the morning, I'll just keep one of these in my shower. But this is called our gel oil cleanser. It is awesome. It's very light. So I'm going to show you just how little you need. So the first thing you're going to do is just get your face. Let's see, make sure you can see me here. Is you're just going to get your face a little bit wet. And don't be afraid to get it all over your face and your neck too. And then you're just going to, it opens up if you twist it. And you're just going to put a teeny tiny amount. You do not need much. Like I'm talking maybe like a pea size, like very tiny amount. This will last you a while. And then you are going to just rub it all over here. And if like I don't have makeup on right now or mascara, but if you do, you can close your eyes and just rub that off. It comes right off. Like this removes makeup very easily without a lot of effort. Then you're just going to rinse it out a few times. And then you're going to grab your towel and just dab, dry. And that's step one. Let's make sure you can see my whole face. Hopefully you could see, could you? Kind of, hopefully you get the idea. You probably already know how to wash your face. Okay. So step number two is tone. So step number one is cleanse. Step number two is tone. This is our toner. So you're just going to get like either a cotton ball or a cotton pad. I use these things. You'll put a little bit on here, and then you're just going to rub it all over your face, really get in those creases. Make sure you get your neck too. And this is going to like remove anything else that's still left on your face after your cleanser. And it's also going to do amazing things for your pores. Going to kind of exfoliate as well. So toning is a really important step. So don't skip that one. Um, then you're going to let this dry, let the toner dry. And then the next step of a skincare routine is to treat. So the first two steps are sort of like to cleanse, to prep, and then this is going to be to treat. So I am going to use the vitamin C serum. This is brand new from Shaklee as of May 2025. And so I'm going to use this. This is like an antioxidant for the skin. It's a multivitamin, great for anti-aging, great for sunspots. I have been using this for a few weeks now and I love it. It smells good. You'll see it's orange in color and it just is going to give you that brighter glow and get rid of like just aging as well. Like it's great for anti-aging. So I do this in the morning. So I like to do 2 pumps of this. 1, 2, and you can see it's like an orange color here. And then you're just going to, again, all over your face and your neck. And it really feels like so luxurious. Okay, and then you're gonna let that dry. So while that's drying, I'm gonna just kind of talk a little bit more about the skincare line in general. So all of these products are EWG verified. What does that mean? It means that they are free of all of the toxic chemicals that you would want them to be free of. All of our products are very, very clean. And they're great too. Even if you have sensitive skin, people have like really great luck with these products. And they're effective. I know I have tried like natural products in the past and they're not always effective. With Shaklee products, you will find they are extremely effective. Okay, let's go on to the next step. The next thing I do are the Ageless wands, aka natural Botox wands. So this is what they look like. This bigger one is for your bigger, like the bigger areas of your face. So face and neck. And so what you're gonna do, this is actually a button down here, and then it's a treatment. It's like a 2-in-1 treatment because it has a tool, but then it also has the product inside. So it has a metal roller ball. The product is inside here. This is a button. You're gonna push up, and the first time you use it, it might take a little bit for that product to come in. So you're gonna push up, and then you'll see the product come. And I just like to kind of evenly distribute it throughout my spots. And you can use this anywhere you have wrinkles that you want to eliminate or reduce. So depending on how old you are, that might be different than me. For me right now, it's like my forehead is my main area. And so what you're going to do is you are going to use a lot of pressure. I don't want you to be wimpy about this. I want you to really get in there. And you should have some redness after because you push that hard. Because you really want to make sure that you push all this product into the skin, and it feels so refreshing. It feels cool. If you want, you can keep these in a refrigerator. I don't because it's too far of a walk from my fridge to here, and I don't have one of those cute little beauty refrigerators. But yeah, that's what you're gonna do with this step. And like I said, depending on your age, you can do this all over. And then the second one, the little one, is for the eye area. So the ingredients are slightly different. It's a little bit more delicate for your eyes. So this is going to be great for like your crow's feet area and for your 11s. So same deal here. The product is inside. There's a metal roller ball. You're going to use this button. And then I like to like kind of smile just so I can see exactly where my crow's feet are. And then same thing, you're going to use a lot of pressure. You always want to go up, up, up because you're trying to defy gravity here, where you're trying to tighten everything up. Over time, gravity kind of pulls everything down. So you want to use upward strokes to pull everything back up. and then get in there. We call these your 11s because if you do that, it makes like an 11 mark. So you're gonna go up there and then also under. This is great. These eye wands are great for deep puffing. So go under. And then that's that. Now, I wanted to mention one more product that you may have if you purchased the bundle, because this comes for free, is our eye treatment. So if you, let's say you don't have the ones, because these are kind of like an add-on with your regimen, you'll get the other products, but these are like an add-on. So if you don't have the ones, but you do have the eye treatment, this is when you would do that as well. So this is our eye treatment. Again, it has like that metal, so it's very soothing, but you would just push a little product here and then you would just rub underneath your eyes, and this eye cream is amazing. Okay, that is it. So that's my last step. Now, depending on your skin, depending on where you live, your next, you could also add a moisturize to this step. For me, I live in Florida, and especially right now, it's really humid outside, so I don't need a lot of moisturizer on top of this. What I do for my moisturizer most days is I will use our BB cream because it's like a 5-in-1 and that also has moisturizer in there. But some people like to use our face sunscreen. It's a mineral sunscreen, which is really great, SPF 30. Other people will use our day lock cream. So depending on which you ordered, you could do that too. And then after that, you could go in with your makeup. But yeah, just to really quickly go over the order again, because I know I needed I needed that reminder like over and over when I was first starting. First, you're gonna do the cleanser. So step 1 is cleanser. Step 2 is toner. Step 3 is your serum. So you're going to treat with your serum, whether you have the vitamin C serum, or maybe you have the activating serum, or the moisture serum. Do the serum and then the wands. Now, I will say this really quick, just as a disclaimer. Some people prefer to do the wands first and then the serum. I have found my skin responds better and feels better when I do the serum first and then the wands, but totally up to you. You can play around with it. And then after that, after the wands would be your moisturizer. So I hope that helps you get started. Let me know if you have any questions at all. If you already have it, let me know how it's going. If you would like to order it, reach out to me. I'll pop a link in here too, so you can check everything out. But I have been blown away, like truly blown away. And for me to say that is something, because I didn't think I would ever be someone that would be motivated to stick with a skincare routine. But when you feel the results and you see the results, I mean, there's a lot of days too, I don't even wear makeup anymore because I'm like so much more confident in my skin. I hope that you enjoy your results. Stick with it. Consistency is everything. And yeah, just reach out with any questions that you have. All right.